Hey guys, so if you have the Alienware, the AW2523HF, and you're looking for the best settings, so the ratings.com made like ICC profile that you can actually try, and maybe it's going to like improve. So what you want to do is this. You want to go to ratings, write the monitor and ratings on Google, and you will find this review right here. Now what you want to do, you want to scroll down here to the part of color accuracy, and now when you're going to be here, you want to have ICC profile and you want to click download. Now when you're going to have it download, then what you want to do, you want to go to the display and change the resolution of display. So you're going to be right here, and what you want to do is that you want to find advanced display settings under display. Right here you're going to have a display adapter properties. Then you are going to have color management, and right here you want to click add. I think that's how we did it. Yeah, devices, and you will click add. And you will browse in and add the color profile right here. And that's how you're going to do it. So have a great day and goodbye.